Namaste, my dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 1, account subject. It's belong to class 10. Then chapter 1, office procedure. At the end of this class, you will be able to define office procedure and mention the considerations for office procedure. Then you will be able to mention the tools of office procedure. Then first of all, then what is office procedure? In our society, there are different types of organizations established having different objectives. Without objectives, any organization cannot be established. For example, government organizations, social organizations, business organizations, all and every organization has their own objectives. To fulfill those objectives or predetermined objectives, every organization has to perform different types of functions. Then, to perform the organizational functions smoothly, there should be taken right decision at the right time. Without taking the right decision at the right time, organizational functions cannot be performed smoothly. That's why every organization should take the right decision at the right time. And now look at some slides here. Every organization is established to achieve defined predetermined objectives. Yes. Then you can also see different types of organization established. Then, for example, schools, colleges, etc. are established to provide the education and to develop the manpower required for the nation. Then hospitals are established to provide health services to the people, and government organizations are established to provide the welfare services to the people of the country and maintain the security in the country. In this way, every organization has their own objectives, and to achieve such objectives, it has to perform large number of functions. Such functions should be performed following the certain rules, regulations, and procedures. In process of performing the official jobs, different types of decisions should be taken by the concerned authority, considering the facts, information, regulations, opinions, suggestion, and recommendation of the officers working in the different level. In this way, then every organization should perform their organizational functions smoothly to achieve the predetermined objectives. Okay, then what is the exact meaning of the office procedure? Then the word office procedure, yes, the word office procedure consists two words, office and the procedure. In the previous class, or in class 9, you have detailedly studied the meaning of the office. What is the meaning of office? Office in Nepali it is called karyalay. Then karyalay consists also two words, karya plus alay. Karya means work or job, and alay means the place. In this way, the word office means the working place or job performing place. No? Then in this way, the procedure, the word procedure refer to the job performing, office refers to the job performing place and for achieving the organizational objectives. Likewise, the word procedure or procedure means the specific way of performing the special jobs. In this way, the office procedure consists two words, office and the procedure. Office means the job performing place or working place, and the procedure means the specific way how to perform the job smoothly to achieve the predetermined objectives of the organization. Yes? Okay, can you define the office procedure now? Of course, why not? Then what can, then what can we conclude? No? In conclusion, no, we can say that office procedure is the specific technique and way of collecting views, ideas, opinions, knowledge, experiences, etc. from the internal as well as external source for making effective decisions, which help to perform the official work systematically and qualitatively. So it is the guideline, guideline for taking the effective decision to solve the overall problems. It helps to operate the official function smoothly and effectively to achieve its goals. In this way, the office, in conclusion, we can say that it is the office procedure is specific technique or way of collecting views, ideas, opinions, suggestion, knowledge, and recommendations, etc. Then who are working in an organization from the top to bottom level in different posts, and all and every officers who are working in the organization have different knowledge, technique, ideas, views. By considering those ideas, knowledge, and the recommendation, suggestion, we can take the right decision at the right time, which help to solve the arise problem and which help to take the right decision at the right time and run the organizational function smoothly to achieve the predetermined objectives of the organization. Okay, then what means or which tools are used to take the right decision at the right time or to run the organizational function smoothly? They are tippany, resolution, and reports are the tools. By following these three methods, by using these three tools, we can take the right decision at the right time to solve the arise problem and to run the organizational functions smoothly. Okay, then for performing the organizational function smoothly or to performing the organizational function, certain consideration, what points should we consider while performing the organizational function? They are also known as the considerations for the office procedure. By following these considerations, by following these points, all and every organization which are established in our society can maintain the organizational function smoothly and take the right decision at the right time, and which help to achieve the predetermined objectives of the organization. They are as follows. Now look here. Then the office should perform its work in easy and simple manner. Then every organization set their rules and regulations, and by following those rules and regulations, the organizational functions are performed. That's why the rules and regulations which are set in the organization should be easy and simple, which help to run the organization easily to the staff or the officers who are working in the organization. Now the second one is that it should perform its work in effective and efficient manner. Then every officer should perform its there should be environment of effective working and efficient. That's why it's help to run the organizational functions effectively and efficient manner. Then the third one is it should perform activities flexible manner. Then flexible means it should be changeable as the change of the time in the condition, according to the condition. Then it should be flexible. Then in this way, the functions or activities which are performed in the organization should be performed in the flexible manner. Then it should make the decisions considering the opinions and the suggestion of the concerned officer while taking the decision. Different officers or the personnel or staff who are working in the organization should have right to provide their opinion, suggestion at the right time, and such chance should be given to the all and every personnel who are working in the organization from by following those views, ideas and techniques which are shared among the official staffs or the officers can help to take the right decision at the right time, which help to perform the organizational functions smoothly. In this way, next one is it should make the involvement of concerned authorities in decision making process. No? While taking the decision of the organization, every personnel has should have the right of providing their knowledge, suggestion, opinion in the decision making process. No one should be leave, or every should be get chance to provide their own views, ideas, and for solving the arise problem and taking the decision making process. Then next one is it should give the respect to all the concerned staff. No one should be neglected. No one should be neglected in the staff working in the different level, in the different post, having their own duties. That's why they should be give due respect to the concerned staff for their contribution in completing the official jobs. In this way, by following these consideration, all and every organization can make the right decision at the right time and follow the organizational function smoothly, then which help to solve the organizational function. Okay, then what are our today's objectives? Once again, look here. The define. You should be able to define. You will be able to define the office procedure. And next one is mention the consideration for the office procedure and mention the tools of the office procedure. Then you can write, some questions are given here. They are define office procedure, mention the considerations for the office procedure, and what are the tools of office procedures, or mention the tools of office procedure. Okay, if you have any confusion, any questions, then you can send contact me with from the messenger, or you can send your homework from the messenger. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.